What to do when your phone runs out of storage? An iPhone 15 Pro, used for just 5 months, is getting a storage upgrade, according to the owner. This 15 Pro was purchased brand new in June. After saving up for months, he finally chose this 15 Pro, thinking that 128 gigabytes would be enough since his previous phones had only 64 gigabytes. But as time went on, storage became tighter. He tried deleting files and clearing space, but nothing worked, so he opted for a storage upgrade. Below is the full process. This is the iPhone 15 Pro's logic board. This is the SSD NAND with its silver finish. First, we remove the cushioning foam on the board. We use tape to protect non-storage areas. Next, a grinding tool carefully polishes the SSD NAND. This method avoids heat damage from traditional removal, ensuring a stable upgrade. This is the most reliable solution right now. After grinding, we inspect the results. Now, we rework the solder pads. A soldering iron and solder paste replace the high-temperature solder. Using the iron and solder wick, we flatten the pads. A heat gun and scraper clean residual adhesive around the chip. Once done, we wipe the board clean. Next, we apply solder balls to the new SSD NAND and coat it with flux, aligning it perfectly. We heat it with the heat gun. When the chip springs back slightly when nudged, it's securely installed. We seal the edges with factory-grade adhesive. Clean it, and cure the adhesive in an oven. Post-curing, the chip is tightly sealed, with surrounding components fully protected. We reapply new cushioning foam to the board. Reassembling the phone, we reinstall the logic board, clean it, and remove old waterproof adhesive from the frame. Tighten the board screws. Reattach all components. And apply new waterproof adhesive to restore the phone's seal. Clean residual adhesive from the screen. Finally, reattach the screen. Secure the screws. And peel off the protective films from the adhesive and front camera. Clean the interior thoroughly before closing the device. Heat and pressurize the phone to activate the waterproof adhesives bond. After curing, reinstall the bottom screws and perform a factory reset. Note: always back up your data before storage upgrades. Once reset, activate the phone. You'll now see 512 gigabytes of storage. Mission complete.